Just be in the spirit in 1 minute. Oh, Israel, Jacob, Yenyakopon, oh, Abena, when I'm in Mubaji, you know, Ejamuni, Yadia, Yani, Dasu, Abra. Bravo, Unia, Yeni, Dasu, Bravo, and none of them will share message before Unyamema. Papa bi ana awurade afrɛ with this suffer over 40 years as a servant of God. Now our mama yenu anu amo na wo fie ho asori fie ye mu adwuma. Instead say wo mo de nyame asɛm bɛkɔ bontene no, lift it a bit. But the no wo mo ye ne sɛ enya asɛm no wo mo ka ho. But the wo mo ye ne sɛ the Yamima Akabonti Akotri Abasori Dan. I want to know what chedi. Membesa me come too much today. Me really message. I mean the number be to the whoop audio nibia. Who send the WhatsApp and friend number no. But me the number be to the friend who send the WhatsApp on be send the audio nibia mo. The neye would have did. Asafu fie ejapade ene ne nyame ma eye Eli ne mamienu etia if asori dem ho edie safode ne yebeto a de wo hiani bi atiti ni muwuram de kunani bi atiti ni muwuram bi abeto ofre no na osofo pani ne ma ayi di bo ho bra. They were not thinking about the members of the church. Neither were they thinking about the progress of the church. Everything about them was their own interest. Mami ma wunti asia say, baby wunti mu kuma sita kro dia kra baby a. Enura me kama wunti asia say, ye sofo dia. Me jina hey, me be a pottery farm. Me nyangwa. Me jina hey, me ndo emufuo. I don't have any business in my life. Sana sofu bebre e frititi asore so. Asori e be wi ase kani besi ne. A lot of the pastors do not own a company. But let me let you understand that the source of our money is from the church. Menka say yaboni nyameba. But mami mi se wo e free bra Yesu Kristo be si na safo adi be si ne. Na won so be ye Kristo chidini said the young say you young couple for you. Apart from Empire, when you were sorry, and your foot when you were sorry, and for so be you when you were sorry. So many churches say you be a human, a sorry, be a human. One for one more church members to work in that company. Obenyansa for your booty back. Mami Yusumesi, in as much as you are benefiting from the church spiritually, there are times you must also benefit from the church physically. Said you will be to me in the Zika Koto Bank. Am I interested about if you invest in the church? I know God will bless you, but physically, if you need something, they must support you. The same way, I also food to me the Asorisika, a sponsor the Mamu Mukusku Akesiano. Where business of from the companies here? It is the church money. So sorry be to me be a school. Nanka minimu say a missionary school, ya sorry school no. And catch us any boy mere, a chana banady. Now so sorry no mumpo. Members say by ya jiwon said ya jabonten so for this. Very expensive. It is good that church is doing developmental projects, but they must also know that as long as the money is coming from the church members' children must benefit from that school. You be to money at the yama, a soft for the yama. Made me back on a watering, ya watering, at to a Jumanano, but I name is Sika, ya saw the Sika and the. So in the house of the Lord where Eli was headed as a senior pastor, his children were benefiting while innocent people were suffering, bringing money as an offering. Baboons were always working, and monkeys were benefiting. Ayabe. It will be without sorry. The poor is always poor. Be without sorry. Oh, yeni the see yeni. Yet they are sorry seeking to be elders. Mosia mom the young contract. But oh yeni could be 200 Ghana. Me the tones you have sorry because yeniska. Are we being led by people who are committed in changing lives spiritually and physically? It's Eli money dear. I sorry what dear. Sikano wodi yankasa, but ne papa nkawe. Mamenchi also for Penny Kofi Odro. Prophet Kofi Odro baby will be up above Radishra. And it's yes, Eli money said you win in us, and it would have been so. And so, I never had been just saying, "Woman, papa, to me." I'm not woman a foot to papa be, but in all these things, Eli was quiet. Why? Because they are my children. And now you buy suffer. You buy your shoe. I would have done in 6 months. Your shoe. You think twice. We don't own companies. The church is our company. Hey, me suffer care be our them. Your offering. Me suffer the jano. When you premen yankasa sister, will suffer yedi eduma. I am not against a man of God making progress financially, but as much as we are using the church money for ourselves, the church members must also benefit from certain things in the church. Eli Mankwana enjoy. Your point, sorry, I was so for bumpum and chia sorry ma or your dadaba. I am not against any church, but I am speaking to the wise. Sika ye di wa sorry hono, ye asofu ye di wa sorry hono. Ye bise will be answered ye sorry sika because we are the overseers and we are the senior pastors, the head pastor. We don't ask elder me yes come on sign am inkoyi. Who dare you to say also penny we dey to me? That why you be ready. I am not talking about and now sorry you, and I am not talking about it here. Sorry, we are all the same. Somebody died with malaria. The church could not even give her 50 Ghana for medicine. Malaria ni kuno. Also for Penimba Yarisesia, you had never come one of the best hospitals. Hey, Pharisee for Asori bitia osofo bosumi yaketia etua ne ma school fees from class 1 to university. And the aduane kɔ fie ye bibia ma sɔfo panin no. When was the last time the church organized to give to the widows in the church? As I said, I am not against anything that the church is doing for the members, for themselves. But I am also saying, we must also think about the needless people in the church. Uncompleted building offering. Sometimes we must think as a man. Azudida Modu Ebida Wudu Dame. Oh God. It will be without sorry no more. I suffer my own and they be almost pushing. Lift it a bit. Who would have sorry no more? I suffer your man, young ma. Suffer my me, but not Tadian and Papua would general. It will be big today. Namusumoni edif. I saw the for the year this year. Sorry, that I ye be na one ye be when ye scan ye be. O cost of work, I am sure. Mammy and Subesi, and your man she boni on and yet, and now sorry, I'm sorry, America. Ye nara, we have the same attitude. In this COVID-19 lockdown, I realized that we worship God with our mouth, but our hearts are far from Him. Also, be member to me for no. Papa Nadi is you need even one city a deep to Shiam. So for Becaturo say, Yam Crowsher in Tieniska. In Titida, sorry, we are and when yes, he come to bank. Oh, Ghana. Mumma Munina woo, you may me and now. Attend ye dear Magia and Tiatime. Nanyamina ye dinner chino. Dear no poname meow. But as long as we have breath, we will continue to speak the truth. I am not God and I can never be even an angel. I make mistakes that everybody can make. But let me tell you the truth. It is better for us to know the truth. And it will set us free. The children of Eli were enjoying church money. And no one make you come and see a neighbor for the no one, ne mammy, you at the folk are called woman, you know, the outdoors are the normal Yakoya Bankwine. A buffissimo woman or your bankwine, no Masadim Kunmatu, Menkafu, sending in an ehemulate. You can deceive the masses, but you cannot deceive God. Whatsoever a man soweth, they shall reap. The church has money to build an ultra-modern temple, but they don't have money to support the poor in the church. Oh, Nyamikai, me know, Kamima, yeah. Domna bre wani asi fawa umo broshe yedni oji fubio sewo ukuto ku a Mensu Mesra Wosa Yenya Mikai. In 10 minutes I will end my message. Listen to me very carefully, beloved in Christ. Somebody needed 100 Ghana for their family to survive. Also, if you want to be Yama will be out, but you will be to me yet. There is somebody in the church. Ojinya mi di no oji wanu asemu di nti. The only maybe the kura no the about to offering, and you cannot support that person. The children of Eli were benefiting from the sweat of the members. Osofishia ukura no unam fomo left a koroma, but who offering and the talk and the time. Obedient the talk and the body. Obedient and the talk. Your friend is air freshener and the sea card. But you are too dirty, so the man left on the cane. Oh, Pharisee for Nyachom for Ghana. Let us be vigilant. One beautiful thing about the Lord that we serve. Adiabakwa me pe wo Yesu Kristo. Abra watching fa ko chire nyame asem so many hours. Said in any pandomni a comedy wall, Jesus was also angry. But Abra will shit up on one financial sumbio. He thought of the people first. He thought of the people that were dying of hunger first. But today, the disciples of Jesus Christ are thinking about our family before the church. Mirinya ye Yesu nidi bota minimia yes nani enesika fonso ya wa sori mu esika fo ya wa sori mu yanso ya nhwehwe ni mu osofu pani kuna kasi verse 6 but no ye pastor's appreciation mo sa talk man e de anya atom no. There are people in the church that need your help. Stop being Pharisee and support the needy. But in that same church, a certain woman, when it is time for offering, no will appear one thing. Why? Because only she got the better offering. Now she be to be at the was on the so from Kwan. It's Bible said, Mukerimunim, a chilling sumpa. But Makoma, I will chill. You pursue beyond who said was the Kantimatoka, betches of in your secret, Ukukuamuno, Koyama, maybe a doyasamame, Yamia Kamakuma, Jeway, the Fayetuma, then Korani Nibinity. As I said, it is good to give to your pastor, but I think your pastor has too much. Say, I need to be a canon. Also for penny, baby, do and you break and lose be a move. That woman that came and said, I am poor to the extent of I cannot feed my children. That woman needed no prayer, but money. In somebody's poverty state, that is where we blow tongues, that every spirit of poverty vanish and go. After breaking and losing the spirit of poverty, set her up. You can do it, Pastor. Instrumentalists, have you ever thought of your life for once? Adie biye kosuru biara eba fom. Enrana meka company na wo ye mo adwuma no boss no woni padua na hia ne se dan na wasiesi o company no. The job is more important to your boss than your body. And that is why wuti ashamai ebe dwuma e wache mota and you are paid 600 a month. So after all your deductions in that month, you run at a loss. But your boss in that same company is buying Range Rovers. No rich man, except those who have the heart of God, want their workers to become like that. The children of Eli were everything to him than the work of God. Eli told me, "Nema sign check ni akoyi sika boom." Education, does not base on the money you will invest, but it based on the fear of the Lord. Anope, the words that I speak are from God. Dear one soon until your home like a chance. Many Padua Medina Medidi once a day, may Madriani day bazaar. But I thank God that He always gives me strength. Sister, brother, Nyamibe, Sofu Mami Jaya Kesesemo. What in day, Dodo? I am sorry, Bessica, now the Achera. I'm sorry, Bessica. So for my Mrs. Stage, as a boss, someone, she no good time. What do we say? Quite. I didn't know one tardy. I have a wardrobe man, want to be my sorry, baby. You are bluffing because you are enjoying the church money. Maybe I had your more yummy, but me the word yes. So bofu free suruba unusye maminto mubio. Media metiara mechai. Also for seren woman adodo sere. Omuna too much. When ya yanka betimu radio no nso untumi. Utia na uya wayame. But medenya mi asese true children of God are listening. Yes, yes, sorry, they are good, but yes, sit down, they are joining members now. I saw the baby to be a BA. Kumpina, Wabachina, woman, yet Juma, Womunina, and Ma, and the member at the pump. That's what yet. Or invest in the sick and walk on how a brutally. And every month, you send this to foreign account. And our children are looking at that. Do you know why? A lot of pastors were mama, Ebia Bulu, and his animal. Somebody, a bumpire goose, Cabishan San or the Buffalo, yes, I would have been mobile. Now, Ministry will be singing and I'm a day to offering boy, and Nuna Wadoba, Kambua Cassia, Casa Cassia. Do you know the cash following that money? In the end, because of Abashaboninti Elaima Ewi Okwano Mami Osmesi Wobaba you out near 17 years. Opie no walk up on Tenia, Shatadi or DP. Na Maminti baby when you need to the wintimin two banner for say Abrabawu by that you will be yet. Mami Usmisi Beshaneba, media me banner or ya me need a sword, or ya me last born, or ya me one daughter, me new be a beam, to me banner ya me genius, would you know? Your child is going wayward. Redirect him or her back to the normal track. Obaba to be shut at the name is Siri in a go, then in Luffy Guabontina, when you have me banning your premeni, Mammy Osmes, baby, or tipper into intimacy. At the end, I'm also shut at your coronabi. Baby, when you need through 50 years and above, a friend of Woods in Timopa, Mammy Jan, watch on Tomo da. Chai, this year you will ban me that year. Mammy be a me won't go down someone, Utimus Mammy. Now I said trouser pumping. Now I said and Satsia Bina, we chin and him, machine dinam to mamma, we are funu. If you dress like this, what are you teaching your children? And Nadia, maybe I will ban a crowd with this cabo. But I would answer, would see me, so Mamma show my wobreya, Umam won't pay we. Abraham made him some baby. Swinty, a yamusu. Swinty, a yamusu. Abribia may come in politicians as some. I don't like talking about politicians because a politician catch also onim Yeshua eye kakra bi because a politician nim Yeshua Mr. MP Mr. MC waban every abem car you turn base billions of cedis would turn less than 500 million and you call yourself honorable in the interest of the people who are paying tax. Land cruisers, pathfinders, I turn billions of cedis. We saw your honorable who free up them your term or less than 400 million. And they will tell us they came to serve the people. And I am telling you the truth. No politician is serving a nation. We are rather serving them. Let us be vigilant. He will not disappoint you. Now the wolf put the tone saying that you are Timothy the better. Yes, Christ ye yom kwa. In mebuse metimi and say yimunum as if we kwenyi na shemi would attend and nipa be do yamo. Now they are found to me so and found to hunu so. Na ya mi would a day. Mena maternity work with jumam usika semu wa wadium wa brabum. I will direct your path. Let us lean on Jesus, the author. You suffer, you to make disappointed big time. But there is one thing I know. Everywhere I go, Jesus Christ has never failed. Adikuruna minimo, sebebiara loko. Yes, you don't.